Kenty, are you in the laundry basket? What are you doing? Did Mommy put that up as a barrier and you just crawled right in? So I crawled right over it. I did. Magoo.
That's awesome.
Kenty, what are you doing? Kenty can't. Are you gonna fold Mommy's laundry? That's so nice of you.
I'm stranding with hers.
He's gonna fold the pants. No, he says. No.
Is that the baby version of no?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Kenty, what are you doing? Kenty. Kent. Kent. Oh, he's almost escaped.
From the basket?
Yep. Kenty.
You still videoing?
Are you grinding your teeth too, dude? Kenty. Oh, bye. Oh, bye.